Hello student, let's start to learn. Standard ninth, medium English and semi-English, subject science and technology, unit number 1, laws of motion. Today's my first point is, can you recall? In this point, definition of the vectors and scalars. Second point, definition of velocity and speed. Third point, units of speed and velocity. Fourth point, examples on speed and velocity. Fifth and last point is effect of the speed and direction on velocity. Can you recall? First question, what are vectors and scalars? Vectors defined as a physical quantity which has magnitude and direction is called vectors quantity. For example, displacement has a magnitude and direction. It is vector quantity. Scalar defined as a physical quantity which has magnitude only called a scalar quantity. It does not have direction. For example, distance has a magnitude but not direction. It is a scalar quantity. Second question, which of the quantities distance, velocity, time and displacement are scalars and vectors? Scalars quantities are distance, time, speed, and vector quantities are displacement and velocity. Velocity, the distance traveled in a particular direction by an object in a unit time is called velocity. Here, unit time can be 1 second, 1 minute, 1 hour, etc. If large units are used, 1 year can also be used as a unit of time. The displacement that occurs in unit time is called velocity. So formula of the velocity is the velocity is equal to displacement upon time. Formula of speed, speed is equal to total distance traveled divided by time required. Units of speed and velocity are same. The SI system meter per second and CGS system centimeter per second. Speed is related to distance while velocity is related to the displacement. If the motion is along a straight line, the value of the speed and velocity are same. Otherwise, they can be different. Velocity is the displacement and that occurs in unit time. In the first example, on page number 1, the straight line distance between the houses of Sheetal and Sangeeta is 500 meter, and that distance between the Sangeeta's house and school is 1200 meter. A straight line distance between Sheetal house and school is 1300 meters. Suppose Sheetal takes 5 minutes to reach the Sangeeta's house and then 24 minutes to reach the school. From there, then Sheetal speeds along path A is equal to distance upon time is equal to 500 upon 5 is equal to 100 meter per minute. Sheetal's speed along path B is equal to distance upon time is equal to 1200 upon 24 is equal to 50 meter per minute. Sheetal average speed is equal to total distance upon time 1700 upon 29. So it is equal to 58.6 meter per minute. So Sheetal velocity is equal to displacement upon time is equal to 1300 upon 29 is equal to 44.83 meter per minute. Effect of speed and direction on velocity. Sachin is traveling on motorbike. Explain what will happen in the following events during Sachin ride. See in the figure. Number 1. What will be effect on velocity of the motorcycle if its speed increase or decrease? but its direction remain unchanged. In this example, the velocity of motorcycle will increase if its speed increase, and it will decrease if its speed decrease. Second, in case of turning road, will the velocity and speed be same? If Sachin changes the direction of the motorcycle, keeping its speed constant, what will be the effect on the velocity? In this example, in case of turning on the road, the velocity will certainly have be change, and usually also the speed. If the speed kept constant and the direction of the motion of the motorcycle is changed, the velocity will change in the direction but not in magnitude. If the speed is very high, it may result in an accident. 3 number, if on a turning, Sachin changes the direction as well as the speed of the motorcycle, what will be the effect on its velocity? If both the speed and direction of motion of the motorcycle are changed, the velocity will be changes in the direction as well as in magnitude. From the above all three events, that the velocity depends on the speed as well as direction, and that the velocity changes by changing the speed while keeping the direction same. Second, changing the direction while keeping the speed same. Third, changing the speed as well as the direction.